Welcome to the Vana video newsletter, proudly brought to you by The Age and the Australian Financial Review. This episode is purely dedicated to COVID-19. This outbreak is affecting all retailers across Australia. Now we want to focus on you, the retailer, of how us at Vana and the National Lotteries News Agents Association can assist you in this time of need. So without further ado, we're going to get into, first and foremost, symptoms of coronavirus in your retail. So you, a retailer, if you have a fever, if you have a cough, if you have a sore throat and you're feeling tired, odds are, as you can see with the sheet in front of you, odds are you have coronavirus. At least you need to get tested immediately. That's really, really important that you understand the difference between a cold, the flu and coronavirus, as you can see in front of you now. Moving right along to just the best hygiene practices you can have. The better these practices are in your retail environment, the more opportunity you're going to have to become a retailer of choice, where the public can come in and feel safe in your environment, knowing that this environment is sanitised. So wiping benches down, if you've got an Amazon locker, cleaning that down, and having hand sanitizer there at the front counter, just keeping everything incredibly clean. All of this will build consumer confidence at your retail outlet. Here is the latest update on COVID-19 from Nine. Nine has taken unprecedented steps to maintain the continuity of the Sydney Morning Herald, The Age here in Melbourne, and the Australian Financial Review to news agents, distributors and readers. Nine is following government and health authority advice relating to the COVID-19 crisis across hygiene, travel, social distancing and self-isolation. Nine steps include newsrooms now working remotely, delivering high-quality journalism while effectively practicing social distancing. Distribution crews and printing operations being separated to reduce or eliminate contact points, and non-editorial staff working remotely or practicing separation and social distancing to limit contact points. Nine is committed to ensuring Australians maintain their access to quality reporting throughout this crisis from the platform of their choosing. Nine are working with all the stakeholders, including Vana, NNLA, distributors, retailers, advertisers and subscribers, to provide the best advice and help navigate the current crisis. While most staff are working remotely, contact details remain the same and the relevant people are available if you need to contact them. Tab Corp are a massive pillar amongst our news agents here in Victoria and right across Australia. Here's the latest from Tab Corp as we work through with Anthony Moore and the senior management team on Tab Corp on the COVID-19 crisis. One of the first initiatives from Tab Corp that they're working with us on at the moment to help support you, the retailer, during this uncertain time, new content has been developed for your DigiPOS screens. This content serves as a call to action for customers to purchase multi-week and advanced entries in the event they cannot get back into your outlet for an extended time. It will be inserted before and after weekly offers display, which runs in every loop and almost every day. This content will commence from today, Thursday, 19th of March 2020. It is important that your team members are also talking to customers about multi-weeks and advanced entries to reinforce the message. It is very important to understand that both Vana and the NNLA are working on several different initiatives with Tab Corp in this crisis, and this will be updated each and every week as we work on initiatives in and around this pandemic. The latest from News Corp on the COVID-19 outbreak. On the 18th of March, News Corp sent this correspondence out. Important notice to distributors re coronavirus COVID-19. To all News Corp Australia distributors, News Corp Australia have reviewed and updated our plans and processes to ensure the continuity of our operations in the current environment. This will likely continue to evolve as advice changes, and we will update you as appropriate. However, the safety and well-being of new staff, contractors and distributors continues to be a primary consideration during this process. There are a number of items covered in this note, summarised as below. Please take time to review where necessary. A, protocols for deliveries to nursing homes and retirement villages. B, considerations and recommendations for your own operations. C, what to do in the event that your business is unable to maintain delivery due to impacts on staff. D, interim measures relating to the collection of returns from sub-agents. E, supply adjustments processes. F, protocols if attending a News Corp print site. Clearly, these are big topics, and from Vana and from an NLA point of view, we need to actually sit and talk collectively with News Corp, and that is a matter of urgency in the next week, talking about A, B, C, D, E and F with News Corp, and we'll be working front and centre on behalf of all our members that we have collaboration, we have something in place that's going to work for our members, because that's why we're here. We represent our members. In summary, these are challenging and crazy times. We've never come across a pandemic like this before in our given history. It is a time, absolutely, for the whole industry to be front and centre and united. We're all in this together, and you are not alone. And every retailer will have a different challenge, but we're here to help. That's why you remember. Please email us at general@vana.com.au if you have an IR query, a human resources query in regard to a casual employee, a permanent part-time employee, a full-time employee. You're wanting to change your rosters. You need some advice. You need some advice on COVID-19, on just the illness or some updates. Go to the link on the National Body website. There's updates every 3 hours. From Chris Pecora and the Board of Directors of both Vana and the National Body, we're here for you in a crisis time. We're working and talking with all the major pillars. This is a great industry, and we need to dig deep now to really help you with every question and query you've got. We'll see you next month.